Now, my preacher has taught me the 3-point sermon technique through watching him do it. And he also taught us that you should also repeat your points at the end. While this is not a sermon, I did a lot more than 3 points. I thought I would go with a few takeaways at the end. Commercial 2021 is not going to be a very good year. The second half is a question mark, as it could be better, but the first half is definitely going to be rocky. The second point you should never forget: hope is not a strategy. You have to take the future in your own hands by developing a 2021 strategy. I'll give you another hint. It should not look exactly like your 2020 strategy. We all know the definition of insanity. Doing things the same and expecting different results never works. Business is going to be slower, but there are pockets of commercial to be had. Don't forget that. Don't get discouraged. Smaller companies in smaller cities are 2 places I would start. Carpet tile will continue to grow, but PET polyester tile will offer new solutions. I encourage you to be part of new solutions whenever you find them. All LVT is not made the same. If you don't know what the words continuous lamination and hot press mean, you should know what they mean. Supplier reliability should be a cornerstone of your 2021 strategy. Who are you going to partner with? Ask your supplier questions. How is their on-time delivery? How is their quality? Price should never be the overriding factor. Cheaper products delivered late is not a strategy that's going to lead you to success. 2 culture words for you to ponder: humility. Be willing to know there's a better way to do things than you're doing them now. If you can't find a way to do things better, pray for wisdom. It worked for Solomon. If you get stuck, email CJ and I'll try to help you or connect you with people in our company any way you can to do things better and do things differently. The other is hunger. Hunger goes hand in hand with humility. Don't let a day rest on an idea to improve. Be impatient, be driven, be prepared to work harder than you've ever worked. Unfortunately, it's going to take a lot of extra effort next year to have any level of success. Be prepared to do that and encourage your organizations to do the same. Finally, and most important, solution providers will take market share next year and every year. I hope and pray you're one of them. I also pray for the day we can all put COVID behind us. Thank you, and I pray that you and your family stay safe and successful in 2021. God bless you, and I hope you guys have a great and wonderful rest of the meeting. I'm excited to see what you guys are going to accomplish next year.